The 44-inch Loomis is a juvenile ceiling fan with reversible blades and a star-projecting uplight. The fan is rated for indoor use only and is pull-chain operated. The 44-inch blade span is best suited for small rooms that are 10 feet by 10 feet or smaller. The fan can be installed on standard ceilings and ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is 4 fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a stepladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. On the canopy assembly, twist and remove the canopy ring. Remove the non-slotted canopy mounting screws. Loosen the remaining slotted screws. Twist and remove the mounting bracket. On the hanger ball down rod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the down rod. Remove the cross pin and unscrew the ground lead. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. Feed the motor's wires through the down rod and insert it into the motor's collar. Align the holes and insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Remove the coupling cover mounting screws from the motor. Slide the coupling cover over the down rod and align the holes. Insert and tighten the removed screws. Place the canopy ring with the slots facing upward and the canopy over the motor. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to attach the ground lead. Insert the cross pin and tighten the set screw against the side of the down rod. At the ceiling box, loosen the 2 outlet box screws. Slide the mounting bracket over the screws, then tighten them securely. Carefully bring the fan up to the ceiling and seat the hanger ball in the mounting bracket. Turn the fan until the groove in the hanger ball rests on the tab in the mounting bracket. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, down rod, and mounting bracket together with a wire nut. Note that the ground wire from your ceiling box may be green or bare copper. Combine the white wire from the fan with the neutral wire from the outlet box. Combine the black, blue, and orange wires from the fan with the hot wire from the outlet box. If you have an additional hot wire to control the fan and light separately, connect the black wire for fan power to one hot wire and the blue and orange wires for light power to the other hot wire. If you have any additional wires from the outlet box that will not be used for the installation, cap them off with a wire nut. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Carefully tuck the connections up towards the ceiling box. If you feel the wiring connections from the motor are too long, you can use a wire stripper to shorten the length as needed. Lift the canopy over the canopy mounting bracket screws and twist to hold in place. Insert the removed screws and tighten all screws securely. Slide the canopy ring over the screws and twist to lock into place. The ceiling mounting is complete and the rest of the fan body is ready to be installed. This fan features quick install blades that do not require any screws to attach. Prepare a fan blade and a blade arm. Pick a side of the reversible blade to face downward and align the keyholes with the blade arm posts underneath. Press and pull until the spring locking mechanism clicks and locks the blade in place. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. The fan motor assembly is shipped with packing mounts to prevent movement during transportation. Remove all packing mounts from underneath the motor. Bring a blade assembly up to the motor and align it with the holes underneath. Tighten both pre-assembled blade arm screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blade assemblies. With the fan blades attached, you can now install the light kit. On the motor's mounting ring, remove one of the switch housing mounting screws. Loosen the remaining screws. Bring the switch housing up to the fan and align and twist over the loose screws. Insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. Connect the switch housing and motor wire connector plugs. Remove one of the light kit mounting screws from the switch housing. Loosen the remaining screw. Bring the light kit up to the fan and connect the black and blue wire connectors and the white wire connectors. Align and twist over the loose screw on the switch housing, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws securely. If you are having difficulty pushing the light kit into place, reposition the capacitor. Install the included LED bulb. Bring the shade up to the light kit. Press and turn until snug. Locate the fob with the downlight symbol. Locate the chain with the downlight sticker. Clip the fob to the matching pull chain. Locate the fob with the uplight symbol. Locate the chain with the uplight sticker. Clip the fob to the matching pull chain. Finally, clip the fan fob to the remaining pull chain. Safely restore power at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The fan speed pull chain cycles through the different fan speeds. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. The downlight pull chain toggles the light on or off. The uplight pull chain cycles through the different uplight settings. The first pull is blue stars. The second pull is red. The third pull is white. The fourth pull is all three colors. The fifth pull automatically cycles through the three colors. And the sixth pull turns the uplight off. If you hold down the uplight pull chain while toggled on, the light will slowly cycle through its different brightness settings. With the fan turned off, the reverse switch changes the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and assistance, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.